Hello everyone, this is Gary from Big Spud and I hope you're really well today. Today I am continuing my 50 Ways with Spuds recipe playlist. They're available in ebook form, you can download them, have a look at the description below, you'll see the link right there. Today it's going to be potato dauphinoise or gratin dauphinoise. Thinly sliced potatoes, cooked in cream, flavours of garlic, nicely seasoned, really comforting, really luxurious. I used to just bung everything in a dish, bake it in the oven and just leave it there. Results were always a little bit mixed. Sometimes the potatoes weren't quite cooked, sometimes the flavouring wasn't off, the seasoning wasn't right, I had to season it lots after it was done. It was really difficult, and then I learned another technique. Get it started on the hob first. Get everything cooked nice and evenly on the hob, get it going, taste it, then transfer it to the oven. Results are much more predictable and frankly, much tastier. Gratin dauphinoise is one of those dishes. It's super indulgent, really luxurious, and a real treat to get out onto the table. Something I really recommend. The ingredients you'll need will be potatoes, cream, garlic, milk, salt and pepper. Should it have cheese in it? Not in my recipe, but you know, it's your dinner, you cook it how you like. Personally, it doesn't do it for me, but there's chefs such as Escoffier include cheese in his recipe, so who am I to argue? You do you. Let's go on to the recipe. You need to slice your potatoes really fine. I'm going to use a food processor. I'm going to use my Kitchen Whiz Pro. My review of it is up here if you want to find out more about that device. Or just simply slice it thin with a knife. Put about 300 ml of double cream and about 200 ml of milk into a pan and get it simmering. Whilst it's doing that, crush some garlic. 2 to 3 cloves will give you plenty of garlic punch. Peel them and then you can either put them through a garlic press. You can slice them finely if you prefer, but I prefer to release all the flavour by crushing it with the back of a knife, just like this technique here. Sprinkle with a little salt and just crush with the back of your knife, drawing backwards until it forms a nice paste. Add this to your cream and milk mix with salt and pepper and bring to a simmer. Then pop them into the simmering milk mixture. Let's also get the oven preheated to about 180-200 degrees C. After about 10 minutes, have a quick taste of your mixture. Is it salty enough? Is it peppery enough? You'll need quite a bit of pepper to cut through the richness of the cream. This is your chance to adjust it before it goes in the oven. So adjust it now if you can. Once a knife goes into a piece of potato really easily, so it's completely knife tender, it's now time to bake and you're going to finish this in the oven. Transfer to a baking dish, pour everything in and bake for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. It has a lovely golden brown top. The potatoes are pretty much cooked at this point anyway, so all you're doing is looking for a nice crust to make things really tempting and tasting. And there you have it, potato dauphinoise, a really rich, luxurious dish, which is a real treat if you've got people coming over, or you can just hog it all to yourself if you want. No judgment here. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you've given it a go, drop me a comment down below. I'd love it if you could subscribe as well. That would make me super happy. And if you like, after you subscribe, ring the little bell too, and you'll be notified every time a new recipe drops onto YouTube. That's all for now. Thanks very much.